One of the main reasons I would recommend Anthony for a legal case is the fact that he is extremely dedicated to each person. So what was going on in my life before I reached out to Anthony, I was dealing with a lot of pain from a pretty bad car accident on the 5 freeway, and I didn't really know what to do or my legal rights at the time. And somebody from my church actually mentioned Anthony and how he had been working with him for a prior case that he had. And so when I did reach out to him, I told him everything, and he was very helpful with all of it. The problems I was trying to solve by hiring Anthony really involved what steps and actions to take in a legal sense for the car accident that I was in. I had never actually been in a car accident before, so I didn't know what exactly to do. And my actual health insurance wasn't really getting to the root of some of my injuries. So what stood out about Anthony that made me want to hire him was the fact that he was very detailed with his questions. He seemed very involved, and the more that we communicated, the more I found even like an amount of trust that was like a friendship kind of trust, which is very different when you think about getting legal counsel and legal aid. So I knew that he was somebody ultimately that I would want to get help from. One of the main reasons I would recommend Anthony for a legal case is the fact that he is extremely dedicated to each person. I don't know how he is with other people, but I know with my particular case, I've seen him for 2 cases already, and he is just extremely involved and very dedicated to each individual. And I knew that I could go to him even the second time, because whenever I needed something, any kind of help at all, when it came legally, he was just there. He was there. He would answer my text messages even very quickly. I never felt like I was being pushed to the side. It was kind of like if I was his only client and he was just there for me. He was just very involved in getting whatever help I needed and just kind of being there for me every step of the way.